We all in this kitchen where the food is good. You already know that you're cooking with wood, Daddy. What you making now?
Chicken tenders.
Some
Chick-
chicken tenders. He already done did the chicken wing tips, and now we got chicken tenders for the babies, and then regular chicken. Do you like cooking wood?
Somewhat.
That was a long little hesitant, like, not really.
No, it
Looking
all
phenomenal.
depends. It all depends.
What does it depend on?
Once you start, it be okay.
I like cooking. I don't like cleaning up afterwards. That's the part I don't like. I don't like cleaning up.
No, I do it as I go.
I need to
Slowly.
learn.
You do it as you go. You won't have nothing.
What's the secret to that? We got phenomenal trying to beat on me and the twins with this stick. You wasn't even trying to make him stop.
And I'll focus on the food.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
But it's a
yeah.
boring voiceover.
Okay.
So Wood claim he gonna start back posting content. Like he ready to get back into his creator bag. I'm trying to not take over because I have a takeover spirit. So I literally could do this whole voiceover by myself, and I'm trying not to do this. You want to tell them what the kids
You
doing?
got gorgeous and amazing cooking. What is
Shrimp
shrimp
fried
fried
rice.
rice?
Uh-huh.
And this amazing trying to whip it up, but I don't think he did it. I think you helped him because he he started tonight.
So yeah, he was having a hard time stirring in the shrimp, rice, and mixed veggies. So I helped him. Y'all, I never knew making fried rice was so easy. My family gonna be sick of me because we're gonna be having fried shrimp fried rice, beef fried rice, crab fried rice, every kind of fried rice. Here's the plate.